Welcome to the Uzima Health and Wellness Podcast.
What did the doctor say?
Why the curiosity in mental health? You keep repeating that as if you had some desire to understand that early on. Was there an experience that you had, or
Yeah, so I think part of that is exposure. So my father is a psychiatrist. So when he
Okay.
came to the States, he actually came to the States to do his psychiatry residency
Ah.
through a variety of different God-ordained circumstances that opened up opportunities for him. So I think part of it was me seeing him go through that journey over time. I can't
Mhm,
put my finger on one specific instance, but I
mhm,
think I was always just curious about behavior and about the
mhm,
brain and how those things come about. But I did have experiences as an undergraduate too. So the research lab I was in, we did a lot related to nicotine
mhm,
and smoking behavior, but also how people who struggle with schizophrenia have a much higher rate of smoking behavior, 80 to 90%. So I had some of these research experiences. I also spent time volunteering at a mental health hospital, so
mhm,
interacting with those patients on a weekly basis. So I think it was something that was just kind of emerging over time, not that I could pinpoint per se, but
mhm.
really just wanting to be able to have some understanding and still be able to help people on the way through the research.
That's interesting because the two psychiatrists, Black male psychiatrists and prominent psychiatrists that I interviewed, Dr. Ron Bailey and
Mhm.
Dr. Napoleon Higgins, again say that there was something in their childhood that made them comfortable with the subject of
Mm.
psychiatry and mental illness, and
Mm.
also sparked their curiosity. So
Mhm.
when they went to medical school, and Dr. Ron Bailey is the past president of the NMA, and
Mhm.
Napoleon Higgins has been in adolescent psychiatry for over 20 years in Houston. He said his grandmother was a schizophrenic. He said, I just knew
Mm.
my grandmother was a little different,
Mhm.
that's something that made him connect with mental health patients on his rotation. So thank you
Mhm.
for sharing that.
Mhm.
So I think that you didn't have a taboo about this subject
Mhm.
in your childhood.
Mhm.
So that's very interesting.
Hi, Uzima family. If you like what you're seeing and what you're hearing, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon below to be notified of our recent videos. What the doctor say?